Today, we're changing the cabin air filter on a Subaru Outback. While there are many other videos on YouTube about how to change your cabin air filter, I'll give you 2 dad hacks that will make your life easier. So stick around for those. First, we want to remove the damper on the side of the glove compartment. A little pressure with your fingers will get it to pop right out. Next, we're trying to pop off the butterfly clips on each side at the top, but at the same time at the bottom, we're trying to pop out these 2 clips. So you'll want to pull up at an angle. You're pulling up, but also towards the passenger seat. These 4 tabs just need to be squeezed and then they will become unlocked. Once unlocked, we can pull the plate cover towards us to remove it. Now it's time for the first dad hack. Before you put in your new filter, see which way the airflow arrows are pointing. If you don't know which way the airflow is, look at your old dirty filter. The dirty side with the acorns and the pine needles is the way the air is traveling to the filter. So in this case, the airflow is from the top traveling to the bottom. So the airflow arrows need to be pointing down. Disregard the up symbol on the OEM filter. That is talking about how you insert the filter, not which way the airflow is. Dad hack number 2, write the mileage and today's date on the filter. That way you and your mechanic know how long it's been between changes. Now, unlike what I did, make sure all the loose leaves have been removed. Don't worry, I went back and removed that leaf. Next, the plate will snap back on with just a little bit of pressure. Next, we're going to reconnect the bottom of the glove compartment and slide the top clips back into place. The last step will be to reconnect the damper that's on the side. A little bit of pressure should get it back into place. And that's it. You just saved at least $30 and it should take less than 5 minutes.